Today we're gonna try starting a Honda XR80 that didn't start for 10 years, but before starting it, we're gonna clean the carburetor, change the spark, change the oil, the front tire's flat, maybe change the chain, and probably do a couple stuff like the brakes maybe. First, we're gonna be taking out the carburetor and cleaning it. Filter needs to be cleaned too. Look how dirty it is. The oil is bad. I took off the gas tank to take all of the pieces of dirt that was in there. I'm gonna be reusing the chain. Just put the chain in the oil for a week. Looks way better. I'm gonna put it on. Chain's on. Carburetor cleaned. Oil changed. Tire pumped up. And then we cleaned the filter too. Surprisingly, from not starting for 10 years, I started second kick, but then it stalled. But then we adjusted the carburetor and then it started fine after that. Nice dirt bike.